Good day mga kapatid, welcome to Sharpen the Blade. Nandito po tayo sa South Street Food Park, one of the best private resorts and event place dito po sa Sariaya, Quezon Bypass Road. Yan po si Sister Rodeline, and ito po yung parking space nila. Very spacious parking lot. And meron mga cottages dito. Yan. 4 cottages dito sa may parking space, restroom, and ito po yung parang function hall niya. Alright. Ito yung kitchen. Meron pang mga cabins dito. Ito yung cabins nila. Merong 1, 2, 3. Ito pangatlong maliit. Merong isa doon. So you can rent this place or these cabins, and very spacious naman yung place nila, yung area. Ito yung malaking bahay. Restroom, small kitchen, merong sofas here. Ito yung taas. Mga beds, and ito yung parang room sa taas. Alright. Tapos may split type na AC. So we highly recommend this place dahil po for the whole place, whole resort, kumbaga day tour, morning until afternoon or evening, pwede mo siyang i-rent 7,500, and they give discounts. The cottage in this pool, kiddie pool. Ito yung pang adult. Tapos may cottages pa here. 1, 2, 3. Tapos ito yung cottage or cabin dito sa taas. Yeah! Oh, ang luwang pala nito. Hangin. Tubigan ng likod, taniman. Hey, mommy.